In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your NBA League Pass subscription on YouTube TV if you no longer need it or want to avoid unexpected charges. Let's get started. Canceling is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure your subscription ends properly. To begin, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Subscriptions section. Here you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions, including NBA League Pass if you've added it to your account. Locate NBA League Pass in the list and click on it to view more details. You should see an option to cancel subscription or manage subscription. Select the cancellation option, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If you're asked for feedback about why you're canceling, feel free to provide it or skip the step. If you purchased NBA League Pass directly through the NBA's website or another platform, not YouTube TV, you'll need to cancel it through that service instead. For example, log into your account on the NBA website or the app where you subscribed and look for the subscription management section to cancel. Keep in mind that canceling your subscription won't refund any unused portion of your payment, but it will stop future charges once the current billing cycle ends. To confirm the cancellation, check your email for a confirmation message from YouTube, TV, or the NBA. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope canceling NBA League Pass on YouTube TV was quick and hassle-free for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.